Hey everyone, how's everyone doing? Thanks for finding the channel and coming to the video here. What's your scent of the day while you're watching this, or night while you're watching this? You wearing any perfume or not? Today I'm wearing Wool by Commodity. You guys already know I'm doing the review on Commodity, the Aqua Neroli one. Anyways, this is branded with Therapeutic fragrance. Stay tuned. My bad, guys. I totally botched the opening. It's not Commodity. Commodity is the scent I was wearing. I said it twice. Clean Reserve Aqua Neroli is the fragrance we are reviewing today. It's a Sephora sample. If you guys have been in Sephora, you're used to how they give things to you. This is $98 for 100 ml. All of a sudden, we're under $1 an ml, which is rare for this channel. It's an EDP. Floral citrus is what it's billed as. Unisex. I'll put it as a 60-40, 60 feminine, 40 masculine. Let's do a therapeutic fragrance note focus on this. Limonene is a key ingredient in this fragrance. So here's what limonene is. It's a chemical found in the pills of citrus fruits and other plants used to make medicine. Limonene is used to promote weight loss, prevent cancer, and treat bronchitis in foods, beverages, chewing gum. Limonene is also used as a flavoring. So this is an all-natural. I always like to focus on healing benefits if they're there. That's why I focused on that fragrance note in this one. Bringing that to you. I'm all about wearing perfumes that'll benefit the body when you can. This is a 3.51 out of 5 on Fragrantica with 53 votes. It was released in 2018. Top notes are bergamot, mandarin orange, and a Sicilian orange. Middle notes are jasmine, neroli, and orange blossom. Base is musk, amber, amberette, musk mallow, and sandalwood on this one. This might be the best all-natural soap I've ever put on my skin. I've never had something billed as all-natural that gives you the fresh soap effect. Don't get me wrong, I've had plenty of pine salt, lemony scents, lemon lime, whatever it's cleaning. I use Meyer's products forever, Dr. Bronner's products forever. Very used to essential oil products. I'm talking about that soap factor, that ambroxan factor, that Irish Spring factor. This isn't quite Irish Springy, but it's soap. The soap bombs, you smell in perfumes. That's what I'm talking about on this one. First time I've ever smelt it 100% natural. So that was awesome. My mind kept wanting to tell me it's chemical synthetics. I did tons of research on it, and it's not. So kudos to them for that. It does have actual sillage on this one. Again, all natural. It's rare to get a decent sillage on it. You're going to smell this on you. People are going to smell this on you. They're going to smell that fresh, clean scent on you. During my research, quite a few people in comments have said people tell them they smell like the soap. So if that's what you're going for, this is a good all-natural alternative to put in there. And with the naturals, I'm all about layering them. So if you want to add some freshness to existing oils that you have, this might be an alternative for that. This is a bright, energizing opening before it gets soapy. It's not your lemon lime you're used to. It's a full bouquet of citrus. Very good use of the orange. Orange is my favorite clean citrus. I used to use the all natural spray freshener like crazy too before fragrances. The bergamot and orange, just a perfect combo of citrus for me. If instead of lemon lime, I'd even go yuzu and orange, even to get a little softer top, limey thing on top, which bergamot is. But this is great use of that. Love this opening. for me. This is my kind of opening. Yeah, the citrus wasn't center stage at all. The heart, as soon as it comes down, there's 3 phases in this, by the way. You get some rose and some floral. What was listed? Let's go back. That's why I kept going back to the notes. Jasmine, neroli, orange blossom. So there's our florals. The rose, I have no clue where that came from. We're not talking sharp red rose, but something rosy was in there in my nose. I don't know what gave that off. Nothing listed in the ingredients gave that off that I'm familiar with. Maybe a particular jasmine that they're using, kind of thing. Who knows? And then I mean, this fragrance 10 out of 10 up to this point for me, as far as citrusy floral kind of thing. I'm not the biggest fan of soapy fragrances. My mind was blown how this turned soapy on the dry down. It did. It was nice, clean, fresh. It's laundry soap I've smelled before when I cycle past buildings and industrial laundry, and you get that just heavy, just washed like the sheets. I don't know if you guys, or if you're on the laundry floor of a hotel room, and they're doing that fresh smell there. That's the smell that you get. 100% natural in this one. Not my favorite, but a lot of people love soapy smells like that. So that was, my mind's going, how do they do that? Because I know a lot of people like it, and that's a good base to know about and to do. So people that are getting into naturals, I think this is one you really need to look out at and try. I don't know anything like it that does this effect. So for them, big time kudos. That Neroli must just come along and do this, cause that whole effect. The sandalwood, not really. There are little bits of it, very gently. It's probably under $1 an ml. I wouldn't expect much of it being 100% natural. That's just a hard ingredient to keep under that $1 ml, factor and put bigger amounts of the ingredient in there. At least nicer smelling sandalwood's in there. So I don't blame them on that. I didn't smell it much. Maybe it gave, that could be all the difference. That sandalwood versus the soapiness could really turn it. And for me, I can see a lot of people loving this fragrance though. So for that, I want to put that out there. Scoring on this one, addictiveness and OG factor, 12 out of 15. Projection and sillage ended up being 2 out of 5. Most of it was all up front in that first half hour. Longevity, 3 out of 5. Composition, 21 out of 25. Ingredients and price to ml, 21 out of 25. Top, heart, and base of the fragrance, top 10 out of 10 for me. The heart, a 3 out of 5. The base, a 7 out of 10. This gets a 79. It's a good score here. I would decant this all day long. Might even buy a bottle at that price. It could be the ultimate gym scent, because that's a good smell to have at the gym. Right now, my most used gym scent, besides the oud oils, if you follow the channel, is lemon. I could see choosing this over that, and it would be for other people and not me. Good 3-hour frag at the gym all year long. You can wear it. Who do I see wearing this fragrance? Martha Stewart. How many sprays? Go crazy. I don't think you can overspray this one. Go crazy. That's my review, guys. Hope you liked it. From clean, great alternative soap fragrance. Peace out and be blessed.